So hey guys, it's been a long time.
Motherfucker, it's been centuries. Get the fuck out of here.
But we have some clip-ins that we gotta try on today. We're gonna do a quick little review first.
I don't want to hear nothing, man. This is my first time. Shit.
This here yet. Only TikTok seen it. So this is the clip-ins. So bouncy. Yeah, bouncy little as it should be, and it's so raw. There's no hair shedding. Like there's no shed. No shed, bro. No shed. And it's from Lumiere.
Forgot to mention, this is a sponsored video
on Amazon. So yeah, let's get to blow drying this hair because I'm not flat ironing my hair just to try on clip-ins that I know I'm gonna take out within a couple hours. I may leave it in for a day or two, but I'm most likely gonna take this out. So yeah, let's blow dry my hair and get these babies in. And not to mention that it comes with 8 pieces of clips, 1 long one, 2/3, as in two strips of weave with 3 clips, and then the little ones. So yeah, 8 clips. Hopefully it makes
really
it looks natural and goes correctly with my hair, because I don't know, we just gonna see. But yeah, I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and yeah, let's fast forward this. We gotta detangle first. Nope. No, thank you. So yeah, forget about what I just said. We're gonna detangle our hair first. I forgot to do that. Hopefully here comes a fast forward. And 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna let it.
I need is heat damage. Okay. Alright.
Hold on. I haven't done a
Giving
link check in a
Rapunzel.
long time.
No, I'm just playing. Longer than it used to. So,
The last time I chopped my hair. If you know, you know.
And if you don't, link will be in the description. Period.
I blow dried my hair. Like, it's been months, almost a year type shit. Because I said I want to take care of my hair after what happened to my hair on my birthday trip.
Don't worry, y'all. Story time coming soon.
This is my first time doing this. Oh my gosh. I hope I do this right. If I don't, y'all know I'm gonna try again. So, but let me see which piece I should start with in the first place. I know this part is for the top. This one is for the middle. This one is for the middle too. I think I need this one for the back. Yeah. Because it's like short, but it's not too short.
As in, it's only 2 clips.
Let me turn around. So, yeah. Don't come for me. This is my first time, y'all, so I'm trying my best. The goal is to achieve a natural middle part and maybe a side part. Yeah. So yeah, this is my part. It's probably not even or whatever, but it's there. It's there. That's all that matters. Now here's the piece. My clip. Wait, should I do 3? Hold on. Hold on. I feel like I should, but then does this look good? I feel like I'm gonna just use this one. That's one. Alright. Now that y'all see what I'm doing, I'm just going to continue on. I'm gonna record, of course, but I don't feel comfortable turning that way to record and do my hair at the same time. So y'all just gonna have to watch me like this. Y'all know what the fuck I'm doing. Stop playing with me. Anywho, we're gonna do the next piece. If I put the third piece, it would have been way too long, and I don't need that shit hanging out. You know, oh yeah, and we're trying to achieve a space bun also like this. So, yeah. So it's number 4, 3. I should have another third piece. Shouldn't there be 2/3? Oh no, I was wrong about that. There's only one of 3. And then there's 3 of 2. Yeah, that's what I meant. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I hope this goes on right. Okay, I put that one. I'm gonna put another one right here. I just hope that it's full. That's the goal here. I want it to be full and not thinned out at the ends, you feel me? I want it to be a nice fade, aka like a blended cut. Yeah. Okay, I don't think I took enough hair out. Should I do 3? Number 3. I'm spooky. Feel like I should do number 3. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna do number 3. Yeah. between my hair and the trap. Nope, that's too far. And I should cut up some more hair back here. I feel like that's too much, but you're gonna see, bro. Because my hair is fine, I don't know if it's gonna stay clipped in, bro. Like, I got curly hair, of course, but when my hair is blowed out, as you can tell, I have fine hair. So, I'm just hoping that it sticks and does what it needs to do, to be very honest. Okay, so I'm going to turn around again and I'm going to show you what I'm about to do, because I just remembered something that I was supposed to do, but I didn't do from watching someone else do clip-ins, so I'm gonna show y'all right now. Not too much though, not too much. We don't need our hair tangled. Just grab that two-piece. Put it back in that same spot. Scruffed up in the back. What's it called? Not matted, but I don't know how you call it. You know what I did, so if you didn't, then I don't know what to tell you, bro. Just do what I did, or yeah. Time for the next piece. We're gonna do the same thing again.
Y'all can't even see what the hell I'm doing because my damn arm wanna block my damn head, but it's fine, it's fine. Y'all seen before what I was doing, so you got the memo.
Got 3 clip. Because I don't have enough storage on my phone, I'm just going to add in all the clip-ins and I'll come back and show y'all the aftermath. Or at least when I'm done with clipping, I'm clipping in all of these clip-ins. So yeah, I'm back. I'm back. Now, I did fine my hair a little bit, as you can see around it, but I didn't want to put too much heat, so clearly it doesn't look right. But at least it looks kind of cute in the little space bun or whatever, in a messy bun. But good thing about it is I see the potential, so when I do actually flat iron my hair completely, let's say maybe this summer or next summer, I will use these clip-ins and they will look good, so. But yeah, don't come for me. I know it look crazy, but it's okay. As long as the clip-ins work, that's all that matters. Next time I will make sure I flat iron my hair and then add in the clip-ins, and yeah. But yeah, I'll see y'all next time when I actually do flat iron it and, you know, put in the clip-ins, yada yada yada. Until next time, I see y'all later.
With you, heaven is a place on earth.